Yes, it is. Dang it. The customer's got a few complaints on this car, including the AC. So what we're going to do is evacuate the AC, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to give it a full code scan. So this car is made in Australia. It's a GM, but it's actually a Holden Commodore. It was imported. Come on, you. Under the Pontiac badge. It's a Pontiac G8. So it's got the big 6-liter Chevy on there. And this was the pride of Australia. This was their hometown domestic automaker, which has sadly gone bankrupt. They don't make them there anymore. Huh. I am getting no reading on the high side. That's not okay. Is this one of those GM? Yes, it is. Dang it. Saved it. Okay, that sucks. All right, so now we have a high side and a low side pressure. The problem with these GM fittings is they're not a regular Schrader valve. There's a little rubber ball inside of here, and you have to squeeze the ball and it deforms, and then the gas can escape and go into your tube. But they're terrible. So if you don't get it just right, it won't open up. And also if you don't get it just right, it won't close. So that's what happened when this came off. The valve didn't close. You saw what happened. Terrible design. So I'm gonna have to get new valves before I can even finish servicing this AC. Let me get started on that. First, let's evacuate it, see how much refrigerant we get out of here. Let me go ahead and pull this off. There should be a vacuum inside the system. I want to see if that vacuum leaks out or air leaks into the system through this valve. Yeah, that's all the way loose. Let's see what happens. Okay. If you look down in there, you see there's no Schrader valve. That's the problem with these GM systems. That little rubber ball that's right there is a very terrible way to seal off an AC system. All right, I'm gonna let that dry. I don't wanna get any contaminants into the AC. Something that's really weird about this Pontiac is that low side port, it's got a Schrader valve in there. So GM only had one weird GM port, and that's this one here. And I can't explain why that is. Usually they'll have both of them the same. This one is different, so go Australia. Great way to make life tough on a mechanic. Keep in mind this is all aluminum pipe here, and I want to protect it, so I've got a 16mm flare nut wrench. That's gonna go right down here, so I can hold that while I'm turning the service port off. And here's your 8-point socket for your service port. Let me go this way. I'm just gonna hold this. There you go. It wasn't too bad. Okay, straight from Dorman, we've got this. There's your part number there. This is an updated part for this car. There it is. So you can see inside there, it's got a proper Schrader valve. There's the back side of it, and it's got a new O-ring. So let's get this on there, and I think this is gonna do the trick here. Sockets. This is a Chinese socket here. So, I mean, it fits, but it's a little loose and it can get stuck on there, so just be careful. Also got a low side socket for the same thing, just on the low side. And these came in a 2-pack. Not sponsored, but I will leave a link in the description. So in case you want to get an 8-sided socket set for yourself, you can click that below the like button. So we're gonna go ahead and charge it at 1.28 pounds. Oh, she's smoking now. Do you see that? You ever shuck a clam? Is that what they call it? Shucking? I think that's what this is. Shucking a valve? Maybe. Still a little bit apprehensive to touch it here. Best pair of needle nose pliers ever devised by man. The Snap-ons. All right, here we go. Okay, so that is just a coating, like a rubber coating around this piece of brass. So I guess that's what seals it, just this rubber coating, rubber-ish. It's kind of hard. It feels more like a plastic. Well, that's all it is. It's a piece of aluminum, piece of brass, and a spring. Schrader valves have been around for, what, 100 years now, maybe more, and they got it right the first time. Then GM comes around and they wanted to reinvent the wheel with this piece of garbage, which has been the bane of my AC existence since the beginning. So, Dorman for the win. Never thought I'd say that, but credit to where credit is due. Dorman saved the day on this one, put a proper Schrader valve on this car. It's not gonna leak, it's easy to service, and it's not gonna spray refrigerant all over my face when I pull the hose off of that car, so that's good. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, watch another video. You can click that right over there.